Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle this Range Rover Sport D300 Autobiography with an eye-catching Carpathian Grey exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with digital LED headlights as well as 23-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels. Also coming fitted with keyless entry and privacy glass. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with the electrically deployable tow bar. Also benefiting from a full service history as well as boasting an impressive 295 brake horsepower, getting you from 0 to 60 in just 6.1 seconds. Stepping inside the Range Rover Sport now, we're just going to take a look at the driver seat memory function, electric window controls, Meridian sound system and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with 22-way electric heated and cooled front massage seats, as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the interactive driver's display. Also coming fitted with the head-up driver's display. Coming down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the 13.1-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover Sport now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with rear climate control as well as ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.